Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And what's this? Another Chrysler chrome face thumb wheel unit? Yep. This is not the same one as the other 20 or 30 I already have on YouTube. Actually, they made about 9 or 10 different models using the same basic cosmetic design. The main difference between most of them is the nomenclature on the dial face. Some say Chrysler Solid State, some say Solid State by Plymouth, some say Dodge Solid State. I don't try to keep up with it. Thankfully, my concern is the electronics, and I don't have to worry about all the other stuff. So, this is just a stock repair. It's not a conversion, so we're just going to have AM radio and 8-track to test. Let's turn her on.
More from your beauty bar.
We are your top quality.
And let's bring our output level meters in. Make sure that we got both speakers working.
At the Prescott Gateway
Rotate our balance control to the right, to the left,
CBD is
right,
everywhere, but ours
left,
third-party lab
back to
tested
center.
top quality and will fit your
Okay,
budget.
get rid of that for the moment.
We have hundreds
And we should pick up 2 more AM stations around this area.
amethyst and so much. Not give legal advice. Documents are prepared.
1.
Client.
Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone.
Christmas.
There we go. I knew there was 2.
Friendly people and beautiful.
Every couple
Okay, we'll go back to our strong station.
Conversation, incredible food, and great spirits. Remember, live music every Monday.
Okay, let's test the 8-track. We're going to start with Bonanza Guitars. Ooh, baby.
What are your favorite things about the holidays?
Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that track is empty at the moment. There, not anymore. Okay. And now we're going to try a more familiar tape so that you can make sure the speed's correct. Got some Anne Murray here. She's pretty popular.
Cohen, join me along with my...
Now you'll notice that the 8-track sound is not as bright as it would be on a conversion where I replace the original preamp with my own special brighter sounding preamp. This is, as I mentioned before, this is just a repair to original stock. All right, let's pull her out. Okay, radio comes back. Make sure the tone control works. Okay, last thing to check is the dial light, and let's dim the lights a little bit so we can make sure that the dial light works. I'm just going to repeatedly connect and disconnect. Okay, well, I can see it, but you can't. That's not very fair, is it? Let's see if we can. Okay, you can just barely see it lighting up. Okay, it's may need to dim it just a little bit more, or just ask you to take my word for it. I'm just going to have to ask you to take my word for it, unless we can change the lighting angle to where we can see this thing a little bit better. Just a very soft blue glow, so it's not real noticeable, but it is working. Trust me, I always replace the dial light. So that concludes the test. Everything is working properly. She's ready to go back to the customer. And let's see if we can find me again. There's me. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And needless to say, if you have an 8-track player, either for home or for car use, you can reach me directly if you need service at 928-533-9666. I also perform FM conversions on classic car AM radios. They can either be tube or solid state, 6-volt or 12-volt. I can do them all. We can add Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, and who knows what else by the time you get ready to send your radio in. My website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening. You know what? I never mentioned who this radio came from. This is from my friends at Hodges Restoration in Inman, South Carolina. It didn't mention what kind of car it's out of. Obviously, it's out of some kind of Chrysler car. The internal electronics suggests it is from a 69 model, but I could be wrong. But I'll call it a 69 Chrysler unit. What the heck? Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.